Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix store. So first of all, you need to find your domain and we're going to go here on domain list, and here is your domain. I'm going to click manage because we will need this. Now right here is your domain. I'm going to copy it and now you're going to go back to your Wix website and you're going to connect your domain. If you haven't already done some of these, you will see it here. And now I'm just gonna click connect domain. So let's click and let's go. Wait a little bit to load up. Now, after this, yes, I own this domain. So let's, as you can see, you need to upgrade your site with premium plan to connect your domain. It's a premium feature, so we need to upgrade it. Now, when you will try to connect your domain, you will see the DNS servers like these, which you need to add to your domain provider. So you're gonna scroll down until you see name servers right here on Namecheap. So you're gonna click custom DNS and you're gonna put the Wix name servers. And after that, you're gonna click this save button, and it will automatically update to Wix, and basically it will work after that. So yeah guys, that's basically it. You're gonna wait a little bit for it to work. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.